Hello you guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be doing 11 minutes full body workout. But before we begin, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to join our community by liking, sharing and subscribing. Now get your mat and let's get going. Please make sure you can see the screen so you can follow along. Let's start. Okay you guys, try to keep your knees bent in front of you. Make sure it's a 90-degree angle in front of you, and all we're gonna be doing is lifting our top leg up and down. This can be your right leg or your left leg. I usually always start with the right. You can start with the left. And let's just keep going, lifting up and down. This exercise, you have to feel it in your glute. Okay you guys, get ready to switch to the other side. We're gonna go to the left leg or the right leg, whichever leg you started with. Now you switch to the other one. Remember, keep a 90-degree angle. Try to really keep your knees aligned with your hips so you can feel a better workout. Okay, next exercise, you're gonna go on a shoulder bridge, and we're just going to lift our right leg all the way up to the ceiling. Keep it really straight and try to keep your hips aligned. And all we're gonna be doing is bringing our hips down and then up. Now you can actually just lift your toes from the leg that's on the floor so you can have a better workout on your glutes. Okay you guys, get ready to switch to the other leg. Now when you do this, try to keep your hips up to the ceiling. Don't bring your glutes down. Always keep them up. Now switch to the other leg and let's continue. Bring your hips up and down. Remember, to feel a better workout, you can lift your toes from the supporting leg and stay on your heel. Now this will definitely make you feel the exercise on your femoral muscle and your glute. Excellent you guys, let's get ready to work on those abs. Now you're gonna stay on your shoulders, elbows, and then you're gonna bring your legs to a tabletop position, and we're gonna tap our toes to the floor and then bring them back up and straight your legs to a 45-degree angle. Now when you tap your toes to the floor, try to really reach all the way forward, like you're actually trying to reach the end corner of your mat. And then when you straighten your legs, make sure it's a 45-degree angle, and then bring your legs all the way towards you, and really inhale and exhale. This will help you release the tension from your neck. Okay, you guys, get ready for the next abs exercise. We're gonna stay on the same position. You can rest a little bit if you feel like you need some rest on your neck. And then we're gonna straighten our legs all the way up to the ceiling, and we are going to bring our legs down to the right side and then back up, and then to the middle, back up, and then to the left, and then back up, and then again to the middle, and up, and then again to the right. And then you continue this movement. And remember to straighten your legs. It doesn't matter if your legs don't go all the way down. You can just bring them a little bit down, but always straighten your legs and make sure you're feeling this workout on your lower abs. Great! Last abs exercise. Go on a 4-point position. This means your hands and your toes. And then from here, you're gonna lift your knees off the floor. And all you're gonna do is reach with your right hand the opposite knee and then switch. Really try to meet your knee with your hand in the middle without moving too much your hips, nor misplacing your arms when they come back. Make sure you always keep your hands underneath your shoulders and continue this movement. You really have to feel it in your core. Okay, you guys, just a couple more, and then we're just going to get ready for the next exercise, which we're gonna be working upper and lower back. Now we're just gonna lay down, facing down to the mat, and you're gonna interlace your fingers behind your neck. Keep your knees straight, and we're just gonna lift our shoulders and our chest off the ground, and then bring it back down. We're just gonna do about 15 of these, so keep going up and down. Always squeeze your glutes and your abs when you do this one exercise. Excellent, you guys. Next exercise, we're just gonna add the leg. That's right. In our way up, we're gonna bring our right leg up, and then we're gonna switch to the left. Now for this exercise, really try to lift as much as you can your legs and your torso, and keep your legs straight. Now it doesn't matter if they don't go all the way up. Remember, keeping your legs straight will help you activate the right muscles. Great, you guys. Next few exercise, we're just gonna sit down a little bit, and for this one in particular, we're gonna keep our elbows glued to our side, and you're gonna make a fist with your hands, and all you're gonna do is open and close. Now the key here is to try to keep your elbows glued to your side, because this will help you improve your posture. Now, if you want a whole video of how to improve your posture, you can check it out on our YouTube channel. And in the meantime, let's continue here. Open and close. Alright, you guys, almost the last exercise. Let's work on our tricep a little bit. So all you're gonna be doing is bring your arms up and then try to bring your elbows down. Now when you do this, really try to feel the resistance on your way down. Like there is something that is not letting you bring your elbows or your arms all the way down. Now this is what's gonna help you shape those arms. you guys, last but not least, tricep dips. In this case, we're just going to stay on our position with our fingertips facing to our glutes, and you're gonna keep your toes lifted. So stay on your heels, lift your hips up, and all you're gonna do is bend your elbows and then straight. Now try not to lock your elbows when you straight them, just straight a little bit. Don't really lock them all the way up, just a little bit, and then bend them without just lifting your hips. Remember, this is a tricep dip, so you gotta feel it in your tricep. Okay, you guys, now you're gonna hold it a little bit down and you are good to go. Shake up your arms. Thank you so much for joining us. Hope you find this video useful. If you did, don't forget to join our community, share, like, and subscribe. We'll be seeing you next Wednesday. Bye!